Hey everyone! Today we're making an insanely easy dumpling gratin that comes together in just 5 minutes. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll have something ridiculously delicious. So, get ready. Start by placing a generous portion of frozen dumplings into a bowl. Sprinkle a little water over the dumplings, cover with plastic wrap, and poke a few small holes. While the dumplings steam in the microwave for 3 minutes, finely chop some onions. Once done, take out the dumplings and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, it's sauce time. I'm using kimchi chipotle mayo, and trust me, this stuff is next level amazing. Finally, top it with a generous amount of shredded cheese and microwave until it gets all melty and gooey. And that's it. Super easy, right? It's seriously so good. The rich, nutty cheese melts beautifully while the spicy mayo adds a smoky kick that blends perfectly with the juicy dumpling filling. It's the kind of meal you'll want to make again and again. So as always, enjoy a simple K meal.